Hi sweet blossoms, I'm so happy to see you here again. Today we're turning out this flower into a hexagon motif. It's totally my own design and I can't wait to show you how to make it. Before we start this one, make sure you've already made the flower first because this flower is the base of it. I've shared the link of it for you in the description below, so go ahead and crochet that first, then come back here and we'll complete this beautiful six-sided version together. Are you ready? Let's jump in. Start with the slip knot on your hook, and now here is our chain spaces. Start from the single crochet between two petals here. Wrap a yarn around your hook and insert your hook into the single crochet. Bring the yarn out. Now pull through two loops and pull through two loops. Also, you can make three chains as a one double crochet, then make two more chains as a two chain space, and again make one double crochet into the same space, then make one chain. Okay, wrap yarn around your hook, go to the next chain space, make three double crochet plus one chain in there. Go to the next single crochet here, make one double crochet, two chains, and one double crochet and one chain. Go to the next chain space, make three double crochet and one chain in there. Skip single crochet and go to the next chain space, make one double crochet, two chains, one double crochet and one chain in there, and one more double crochet in the same space. Okay, go to the next chain space, make two double crochet plus one chain in there, and now into the next single crochet here, make one double crochet, two chains, one double crochet and one chain in there, and in the next chain space here, make three double crochet plus one chain. Skip the next single crochet into the next chain space, make one double crochet, two chains, one double crochet and one chain. Skip the single crochet in the next chain space, make three double crochet and one chain, and in the next single crochet make double crochet, two chains and one double crochet and one chain, and in the last chain space make three double crochet and one chain. Now after that you made your last chain, join with the slip stitch to the first in the third chain. Okay, all the six sides of our hexagon are done. Look, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, go to the chain space by the slip stitch, and now make 5 chains as a one double crochet and two chains. Okay, then make one double crochet into the same chain space here. Okay, then make one chain, and into the next chain space in the chain one space here, make one double crochet. Now bring your first petal here, make a 1/2 double crochet between two clusters of 3 double crochet here. Okay, now again make one double crochet into the same chain one space and one chain. Okay, and now make 3 double crochet into the next chain space here, 1 2 3 and one chain. Okay, in the next chain two space make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and 1 double crochet and chain 1. Okay, into the next chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet, and now make 1 half double crochet in the top of the petal you have, and now again 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space plus 1 chain. Now into the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 chain, and in the next chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet, and now make a slip stitch in the top of the petal between the 3 double crochets here. Make a slip stitch plus 2 chains. Okay, and now make 1 double crochet in the chain 2 space and 1 chain, and now go to the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet and 1 chain in there. Now into the next chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet here, 1 double crochet, and make 1 half double crochet into the next petal in the top of it, and 1 double crochet into the same chain 1 space plus 1 chain. Okay, and into the next chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, and 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Now in the next chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet in top of the petal, and 1 double crochet in the chain 1 space plus 1 chain. In the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet and 1 chain. In the next chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet. Now we're gonna making a slip stitch on the top of the petal plus 2 chains and 1 double crochet in the chain 2 space here and 1 chain, and into the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet and 1 chain. In the next chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet top of the petal here, and 1 double crochet in the chain 1 space and 1 chain. And now in the next chain 2 space, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet and chain 1, and in the next chain 1 space, make 2 double crochet and half double crochet in the top of the petal and 1 chain, and now 3 double crochet and 1 chain in the next chain 1 space here, and now join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the first here. Here's our 2nd row. Look, our hexagon is already done. Okay, now for the next round, go to the chain space by the slip stitch, then make 5 chains, as a 1 double crochet and 2 chains, and make 2 double crochet in the same space, then make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, skip the chain 1 space and go to the next stitch, make 1 double crochet into the each next 3 stitches and skip all the chain 1 spaces on the each side of your hexagon, just making 1 double crochet into the each stitches. Okay, then don't forget that you must skip your all chain 1 spaces in this round except chain 2 space. Okay, in the chain 2 spaces, making 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Look, make 1 double crochet in the stitch, skip this one, chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet into the each next 3 stitches, skip chain 1 space, again make 1 double crochet into the each next 3 stitches, skip chain 1 space, and again make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Here is the place that we had made the 1 slip stitch in the top of the petal. Just make 2 double crochet in the chain 2 space here, make 2 chains and go to the other side of the petal in the same space in the chain 2 space, make 2 double crochet. Okay, then make 1 double crochet into the next stitch and skip the chain 1 space and make 1 double crochet into the each next stitches. If you are brand new in my channel and haven't subscribed yet, this is a perfect time to hit that subscribe button. Your support is really means the world to me. Okay, in the chain 2 spaces, make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Okay, look, this is the place that we made the corner, the back of the petal. Now I continue by making my stitches. Okay, again the corner with the petal here. Look, I made my double crochets just behind the petal in the chain 2 space, 2 of the double crochet. In the right side of it, make 2 chains and make 2 double crochet in the left side of it. All the double crochets are made in the chain 2 space. Okay, let me ask you a quick question while we're crocheting this beautiful flower. What would you turn this flower into? I'd love to hear your ideas. Let me know in comment below. If you want your motif a little bigger, you can simply repeat round 3. Just keep in mind that in the next rounds there won't be any more chain 1 spaces between the stitches. Each side stitches will be solid. Okay, and you have just 2 chain spaces in the corners of the hexagon that you will made in there. 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Okay, then make 1 double crochet in the first chain space and join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. I'll do it by the needle all the time. Insert my needle under the 3rd stitch, insert it again in the 1st stitch, and then move between the stitches very slowly and hide my tail of the yarn and then cut it. Okay, Okay, our cute little hexagon is all done. I really hope you enjoyed making it with me. If this tutorial helped you even a little bit, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and say hi in the comments. It really makes my day. And hey, more fun shapes with this flower are coming super soon, so stick around. And that's it. Thanks for hanging out with me. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you next time. Bye.